Hello there, it's Hawk here. We are at No Business Knob Shelter. As someone pointed out, it's no business because there's no privy here, so. I'll take that into consideration. It looks like there's very few privies up for a while going north, so that will be, yeah, start to use our trowel a little bit more. It is, I believe, the 20th, Tuesday the 20th? Yes, I think. We're headed into Erwin, probably do at least 1-0, depending on how the weather ahead looks, maybe 2, maybe get back on the trail on Friday, but we'll find out for sure a little later. Great night. Yesterday was not too bad. A couple of real nasty climbs out of Spivey Gap, but it was beautiful because it was right alongside this gorgeous stream, so it was worth it. What else? Poured overnight. Really nice having the rain, and we woke to a beautiful sunrise and a sunny day. So the walk into Erwin's a little over 6 miles. Should be a real nice, mostly downhill. Should be a good day. And in Erwin, burger and a beer, or anything we can possibly stuff into our mouths. So we're excited about that. And I can get caught up on the videos probably finally. So I will talk to you guys later, and hawk out. Alright, I'm about half a mile from Johnny's, Uncle Johnny's, and just a little nice, tiny bit of this. This is just a beautiful track, really mild grade, really smooth. Just got a couple of nice views out over Erwin and the Nolichucky, so very cool stuff. And that's about it, because and finish this hike, get to Uncle Johnny's. That could be a shot of that too, and get myself a shower, and you know the rest. All the rest is good. Everything's good right now, so looks like I might just beat the rain too. So you all have a wonderful day. It's gorgeous here out on the Appalachian Trail, and I will talk to you soon. Hawk out. One little quick one here is, I wish this was smell-o-vision, because this is just wonderful. You know, evergreen, and yeah, just great. It's just a beautiful smell. So, okay.